Okay, here's our equilibrium problem. We'll start by making our ice table. In this problem we start with only products. So the reaction is going to go to the left towards equilibrium. We're going to lose 2x, gain x and x. And write our equilibrium expression. And substitute in our values. Okay, if we enter in our K sub C value, and I'm going to rewrite this slightly. So it is easy to see that this expression is a perfect square. Which means we can solve for x and make that very much simpler if we simply take the square root of each side. The square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of this expression is 0.3 minus 2x over x. Okay, if we cross multiply, we can solve for x. We have 9x, 0.3 minus 2x. We want to collect like terms. So we have 11x is equal to 0.3. And x, which is equal to our concentration of oxygen, which is what we're trying to solve for up here, is equal to 0.02727, repeating. So if we express that with 3 sig figs, find x, which is the concentration of oxygen at equilibrium, 0.0273.